Hi guys, this is Joe Brammer with The Lead Edge, and today I want to show you one of my favorite low carb, high protein meals that you can prepare in less than 3 minutes and eat it pretty much anywhere on the go. So all we're going to do, I'm going to take a can of tuna, preferably albacore because I think that tastes better. Going to drain out the water. Pour that into another bowl here. I'm going to take an avocado, cut it up, and squeeze it into the bowl. Get our seed out there. And then we're just going to mix them up together. And now we've got a high protein, high fat with some good EFAs, omega-3s in there, and I like to put a little of this amino acids. It tastes just like soy sauce. You got a nice little high protein meal you made in less than a minute. And this is also one of the meals on the upcoming Smash the Scale diet plan. If you'd like to learn more about that, just click the link below to get tons more great high protein, low carb recipes just like this.